In this video, I'll guide you through how to link Robinhood to Chime. If you're looking to seamlessly manage your finances, connecting your Robinhood account with your Chime bank account is a great way to do it. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, grab your smartphone and open the Robinhood app. Once you have the app up and running, look towards the bottom of your screen and tap on the account icon. This icon usually appears as a small person or silhouette and will take you to the main account settings. Now that you're in the account section, you'll want to access the main menu. You can find this by tapping on the three lines, which are often referred to as the hamburger menu. Once you're in the menu, look for the option that says Transfers and give it a tap. In the Transfers section, you'll see a button labeled Transfer Money. Tap on this to proceed to the next step. This is where you'll be able to set up the connection between Robinhood and Chime. Here, you'll find a section titled From and To. You're going to want to focus on the To part. Tap on the To option to begin the process of adding your Chime account. Next, you'll be presented with a couple of options. You can either select Add Account or Add Bank. Tap on this option and you'll be prompted to choose your bank from a list. If you see Chime listed, go ahead and select it. If not, don't worry. You can still manually enter your bank details. To manually add your Chime account, you'll need to input your Chime routing number and account number. Make sure you have these details handy. Enter them carefully to avoid any errors during the verification process. Once you've entered your account information, you'll need to follow the verification steps provided by Robinhood. These steps might include confirming small deposits made to your Chime account to ensure everything is set up correctly. This is a crucial step to secure your accounts. After successfully completing the verification process, your Chime account will be linked to your Robinhood account. You're all set to transfer funds between the two and manage your investments with ease. And that's how to link Robinhood to Chime. It's a straightforward process, but following each step carefully ensures a smooth setup. Now you can enjoy the convenience of managing your investments and banking all in one place. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.